to Florida Fishing TV and say I'm going to be fishing in some really windy conditions, but you know what? Who gives a crap? Because I love fishing. I don't care if the weather sucks. I'm still going to catch fish. Maybe if I don't catch fish today, you know what? I tried. Mother Nature, me over. So, let's go fish. Alright, let's see if we can catch a fish. Holy tilapia. Jesus. Tilapia beds everywhere. Gotta get through the tilapia and get to the bass. Alright, I have moved down further down the pond. Not one bite. Just crazy wind. There's a carp right there. Alright, I am going to fish. I'm gonna try to get you guys a bass on fly. So here you go. Alright, I got one. Right when I turned off the camera. Oh, he came off! Oh my god, this weather sucks. Got him! Last cast! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Last cast. Fishing sucked. But guess what? Oh, he's off! But I got a fish. Let's go. Last cast. Weather sucks, but guess what? I still caught fish. I win. Bass lose. Let's go. Alright. Adios. Well guys, that is it for today's vid. Did not get skunked. I caught fish. And that is it. Thanks for watching. Comment below. Please subscribe, of course. And thanks for watching. I'll have new vids up soon. That's it. Peace.